Hi, bunnies. Tonight we're at Fembots at a super cool event here in Las Vegas. Here's the full get ready with me. Step number 1, we put our hair up in a tight ponytail. Seems pretty basic, but we don't want to miss any steps, right? And hairspray for sure. And we brush it back. We do it section by section. Side, top, side, back. Make sure we get all of those little hairs. So when we put our hair up in a ponytail, it looks super chic. Time for body makeup. This body makeup we use is amazing. It's really tan and it stays on. Here we go. Boom. Super tan. And then we have our makeup match the skin tone of the body makeup. So it looks real, right? Natural, quote. And this body makeup does not get on our clothes at all. All right. Definitely make sure you wash your hands afterwards. Time for hair. I'm covering my face right now with a napkin just so it doesn't get everywhere. So we spray it with white spray first. And Ava's spraying my hair section by section, bottom, side, top, side. And make sure we get every single area. There we go. Now she has the blonde spray. So the reason why we do white first is because our hair is dark and we really want the blonde to come through and look, quote, natural, right? So we put the blonde everywhere. Okay. Ready? Yeah. Okay. It's white. Okay. Here's all the makeup laid out nice and beautifully. And it's time for glam. So excited. This is our makeup artist, Cam. We love her. She's amazing.
Okay. It's like a real life.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's cold.
Okay.
Ooh.
Okay. Awesome.
Okay.
Good?
Yay! Yeah.
Yeah, that looks really good.
That looks great.
Yeah.
I love it.
Yay. Close your eyes. Awesome.
I'm like halfway-ish done.
Yeah, Cam, smile.
Ding.
And the sparkles on the floor.
I see socks.
It's so funny.
Do your feet. Don't do some of your feet. Dancing. Yeah.
Ah. All right, now both of us are glammed and dressed. And here's our pony. We're going to be super blonde. We're so excited. Look how funny it is with the pony and then without. It makes such a big difference, right? So here we go. Ava's putting my ponytail in. Definitely need a donut. And we secure the donut with a couple of bobby pins. One on each side is pretty good hold. And then she's going to start to do my ponytail. This ponytail is for a donut specifically. There's a comb on top and a comb on the bottom. Both of those combs go underneath the donut. And it's fully wrapped around. And you take the drawstring and you pull it. And then you wrap that around the donut and you bobby pin it in. And then we put in at least 5 bobby pins in the donut all around just to make sure it's secure and tight. You know? Last thing you would want is for it to fall out, right? Look how awesome. Yeah. Cam, you want to smile at the camera?
Yay.
Yay, divas. This bed head is amazing. We put it in our ponytails all the time. It helps the hair just stay chic and not get frizzy. Plus, it smells really good. This is our full glam look. We always like to do videos just to show the makeup and our hair so we get something super close up. We love this look so much. We're just having so much fun. Oh my God. Wait, let me put my shoes on.
Okay.
Videotape me putting my shoes on.
Okay. Loretta's putting her, there's all of our K-pop stuff.
Okay.
All right, Loretta's putting her shoes on. Oh, and we have a white belt. We didn't put the white belt on yet.
Yeah, I'll put them on when we get there.
Okay.
Okay. Ready. Ding. Love you.